What is up? So I'm going to be making a iced matcha latte. Got my ceremonial grade superior blend. It's pretty good quality. No complaints really. And let's see what else we need. Got my matcha scoop. Got my mixing bowl. Not exactly a matcha bowl, but just works out for me. At one point or another, I will get an actual matcha bowl. And I got a matcha whisk. It's already soaked. And first things first, I'm just gonna give this thing 2 heaping scoops of the matcha powder. Like so. Next, I am going to add a couple teaspoons of raw sugar straight to the mix. Water should already be hot. I'm going to add a generous amount, maybe around 3.5 ounces. No, equivalent to about a double shot of espresso. Then start to give it a whisk. With matcha, they say, you know, kind of give it a zigzag back and forth motion when you're whisking it. So I've kind of gotten used to doing it, so that's just the way I whisk it now. Don't exactly do circular motions anymore. In school, it's different. So I'm just going to do this for about a minute. And I do kind of hold it at an angle. That's just a habit. Could probably hold it flat, but this is the way I do it. Okay. Next, ice. Well, a couple of things. Ice and a pump of fresh vanilla. Oh yeah, and half, of course. All my ice drinks I use half and half. I don't use whole milk. I think whole milk just doesn't accentuate the flavors as well. So I'm going to add a pump of French vanilla to this matcha. Now I'm going to do about 1.5 pumps. 1.5 pumps of French vanilla. Just give another final whisk. Got the ice in a cup already. Pour it directly on top of the ice. And add the half and half. Look at that color. That color is absolutely amazing. Let me take the phone off the tripod to give you all that side profile. Slight marbling, which is always sweet. And then finally, all I really do is just mix it with the matcha, I almost said spoon, but I think some people call it matcha spoon, but with the matcha scoop. Do your best to break apart the ice if you can. And there I'll have it. I will do a taste test as well. Yeah, like it... I could have went 3 scoops of matcha for sure, but it doesn't need it. It's still, you know, very sweet. You still got that punch of matcha flavor to it. It's not bitter at all. I find with 3 scoops, there's a higher chance of it getting that bitter aftertaste, but 2 scoops is really safe, especially for this size of cup. You know, just a super average, smaller glass mug. And yeah, so 2 scoops, 2 teaspoons of raw sugar, a pump and a half of French vanilla syrup, add half and half, mix it all up. It tastes amazing. So anyway, thanks for watching as always, and more soon. Here's a close-up again. And yeah, I'll see y'all.